Hi 3P, I'm Miss Delaney. I will be teaching you on Mondays, Tuesdays and Wednesdays next year, alongside Mrs. Alhasso, who will be teaching you on Thursdays and Fridays. Now, some of you might not recognise me because I haven't been teaching at HJS this year. In September, when you joined the juniors, I had a little baby. So I've been off, but I am back. I've been teaching at HJS 5 years. Now, as I say, you might not recognise me, but I know that there's some of you where I've taught your brothers and sisters, so you might know who I am. I became a teacher because I really enjoy making learning fun and also watching children develop new skills, take on new knowledge, and just at the end of the year, just looking back and seeing the progress that they've made. It's just such an incredible feeling of pride for me, and I know you guys will feel proud of how much progress you've made throughout the year as well. My favourite subject is maths. I love maths because I really enjoy problem solving, and quite often with maths you can problem solve and work things out using lots of different methods. And I also enjoy art as well. I've got a passion for art, using different materials to create a piece. It's really enjoyable. I absolutely love working at HJS. I've worked at a few other schools. HJS is the best. What I think makes HJS the best is because of how supportive and encouraging everyone is. Not just the staff to children, but you've also got the children support each other, the staff support each other. It really is like one big happy family. And speaking of families, this is mine. So in the middle there is my son, Freddie, who is now 9 months old. And you can also see there's Freddie's dad, and you've got my parents, my brother, my extended family, so my uncle and my cousins and their children. And obviously not forgetting Bruno the dog. We often meet up as a family. We love time together, and Boxing Day is a big celebration for us. We really enjoy it. Favourite day of the year, we all get together. Outside of school, I really enjoy going to the theatre or the cinema or reading, just anything that gets the imagination going. Eating is also something I really enjoy doing. So anything food related interests me. So cooking or going out for dinner. Over the last few months, I've loved watching my son grow up, learning how to crawl and stand, and no doubt he'll be walking soon. I've spent more time than usual speaking to my family and friends virtually, as well as completing many quizzes with them. I've learned how to use a greater variety of technology, for example, creating this video, which has taken me a while to get used to. 5 facts about me. So I've been teaching 12 years, as I say, 5 of them at HJS. I enjoy art, as I mentioned, so sketching, painting, just anything really. It's really, really calming, really enjoyable to see the piece that you create at the end. I'm very competitive, and I do quite like a computer game and quite like a game of Mario Kart. See if I can beat the other players and win. I can tap dance. Used to dance as a child and all the different types of dance, but tap is definitely my favourite. And I also know a Premier League footballer. So let's end on an extract from Matilda, which is one of my favourite children's books by Roald Dahl. So I'll take a little extract here about Miss Trunchbull. Miss Trunchbull, the headmistress, was something else altogether. She was a gigantic holy terror, a fierce tyrannical monster who frightened the life out of pupils and teachers alike. There was an aura of menace about her, even at a distance, and when she came up close, you could almost feel the dangerous heat radiating from her as from a red-hot rod of metal. When she marched, Miss Trunchbull never walked. She always marched like a stormtrooper, with long strides and arms swinging. When she marched along a corridor, you could actually hear her snorting as she went. And if a group of children happened to be in her path, she ploughed right on through them like a tank, with small people bouncing off her left and right. She was above all a most formidable female. She had once been a famous athlete, and even now the muscles were still clearly in evidence. You could see them in the bull neck, in the big shoulders, in the thick arms, in the lean wrists, and in the wonderful, powerful legs looking at her. You got the feeling that this was someone who could bend iron bars and tear telephone directories in half. Now, 3P, you definitely won't find anyone like Miss Trunchbull at HJS, and especially not in Class 4 DA next year. So I'm really looking forward to meeting you guys soon, and I hope you have a fantastic summer and welcome you back in September as Class 4 DA. See you soon. Bye.